Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Josiah. We're doing a different kind of video today. We're in the K truck, so we got the right-hand drive mini Japanese truck. Right now we're headed to the trails. We're taking the dirt jumper and we're gonna get some footage of riding the trails on the bicycle. I bring one tool, so if anything happens and this one tool can't fix it, looks like I'm going home and this was a waste of time, but hopefully we'll be good. I got the bike in the back. All right guys, so there are a couple things that are weird about driving the K truck. One, obviously I'm sitting on the right side. When I'm driving, it feels like I'm sitting in the passenger seat of a regular Western style vehicle. Another thing is obviously it's stick. So I know how to drive stick, but driving stick with my left hand definitely is different. Another thing is these K trucks are tiny. The only storage I have is this glove box, and it's full with a beanie and a couple ratchet straps. Not a lot of space other than the pickup. One thing that also can make it difficult is it is in kilometers. So I just have to do some quick math to make the miles per hour. But it's not like this thing is fast enough to really speed anyway. My first gear only goes about 6 miles an hour, and then my second goes about 15. All right, we made it to the bike park. Now we just gotta find a parking spot and we can get on the bike. Wonderful. They have this nice little pump track right here I've never done before. So I might as well try it out right now. I need more speed. He's getting it over there. Go get him. I think I can go up this way. I'm trying to find one specific trail that I like. I think it's up this way. How's it going?
Oh, good morning. Woo. Beautiful day, yeah?
Yeah. Thanks, guys. How's it going?
How are you?
Tired. You guys been here all morning? Pretty much?
Couple hours.
Yeah. Good for you. Oh, all right, have fun. Oh, that's my favorite trail right there. I'm gonna hit it a couple times. Yeah. Whew. Those downhill parts are fun, but the uphill parts
are really a battle. Seems to be holding up. I just put the new tires on this morning. I had some slick street tires on, so I put these on before I came out. I went around the little jump at the end. Hopefully I'll just do it today. I'll just huck it, see what happens. This is only like my third time here. Been trying to get out on the bike more recently. That trail's really fun. It's like a medium trail. You don't really have to hit any of the jumps. You can just pump the whole time. So that's pretty cool. Really hard. Like, look at these skinnies right here. I cannot do that. What is that, a gap? Skinny to skinny? It's insane. It's beautiful out here though, even though it's a little wet, but a little wet ain't never hurt nobody. The only thing I don't have is like something covering the back wheel so I don't get mud on me. But it's so low because it's a dirt jumper. This seat is so low. Nothing I can do about it. I should throw some gears on it. I wish I could just have two, a small one and a big one, but whatever. So if I hit nothing else, I might just have to bunny hop later. All right. This jump right here, I'm not gonna do it, but that one, that'd be dope. I like to come back, check on the truck every once in a while. What's up, beauty? One thing about these kind of K trucks is you unhook them. Obviously the gate comes down, but you can also unhook the sides and it turns into a flatbed. Pretty sick. This side comes down too. See? The battery on these trucks are on the side, so today I got a cover coming in just to cover it up a little bit. All right guys, we are leaving the bike park, hit a couple trails. Nobody really came out to play today, but if you guys like videos like this, you need to let me know so I can make more videos like this. Or if you just like motorcycle content, let me know that too. If you want to see more of the truck, more of the mountain bike, anything, and more of anything, if there's something specific you want to see me do, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more of the channel, hit the subscribe button and tap that bell. If you want to let me know something, let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you like things like this. Remember, Jesus loves you. I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace.